I'm going to guide you through on how you can get started with SuiteCRM. Now on SuiteCRM, you want to go ahead and go to Softaculisis here. Now on your there, you'll see that there's going to be something like this, right? You want to go ahead and search SuiteCRM like this. Now once you search up SuiteCRM, you just want to click on the SuiteCRM section there. And then after that, you'll see a page that looks like this. Now on SuiteCRM here, you want to go ahead and tap on install. Now once you tap on install, you'll have to go through a couple of procedures first to make sure SuiteCRM works. Now, when you first open the app, you'll see that this is what it will look like. You'll have to do a software setup. You'll need to choose a protocol, choose your domain, in what directory it should go in, and the database name along with it as well. After that, you will also have to name the site name here. So just leave it at SuiteCRM. I'm just going to leave it as that. After that, you will need to set up the admin account as well. So the admin username, the password, the first name, the last name, and also the admin email. Now, after all of that is done, you can see this is what it would look like. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And then after that, that's it. You're done.